Attention, please. Are there any Polar Express passengers in need of refreshment? I thought so.
So first, you're going to add the hot cocoa powder, 3 spoons. Well, that's just what I do.
Okay.
And then you put that down until the water's ready, and then you just do the exact same thing to the other one, to the other cup. And then that's done for now. And then we still need that spoon. And then you will...
He has the water,
water.
hot water. Be careful when you're doing this part, guys, because you could burn yourself.
Yeah, and if you have one of these, do not touch the glass.
Okay.
Well, you probably already know that. But, I'm not sure if you guys make hot cocoa I'm not sure if you guys make hot cocoa, but I don't stir it until I add the milk in.
Okay.
And then I just think that makes better flavor, because if you stir it before, all the powder will be done, and then, well, you just add milk in and it won't add any flavor into it. And make sure you stir it well, or else there'll be a ton of powder at the bottom, and then it won't be as chocolatey. Yeah, I know I'm spilling a little on accident.
That's fine.
And then I'm gonna set that out for right now. And then, and you won't need these ingredients now. And we will use these Oreos later. It's optional to use these. And it's also optional to use whipped cream.
Shake it up first, right?
Yes, make sure you shake it very good.
I can do this all day.
And then I'm not the best at putting whipped cream, so sorry.
Good job.
And then once you're done using that, put it back in the fridge. And then, yes, I am not good at putting Oreos on.
I think you are.
Thank you. And then what I like to do is, I know that doesn't look like a hidden Mickey, but...
Wow, a hidden Mickey.
And then you are done. And it's time to drink.
Oh my God.
And it tastes mighty delicious. And don't forget to check out my sister's channel, The Miraculous Pineapple.